Okay, here we are with our keywords, page 17, okay? And it looks like this. They're called mots-clés. So you're going to be copying down these words in the two columns, okay? For passé composé and imparfait. So passé composé is very specific. The year, the month, the date, using the word un, or one day. If you have a series of events, if you have firstly, secondly, or first, second, finally, at last. If you're talking about a specific winter, one time, two times, many times. Highlight this one plusieurs fois because often my students mistake this for imparfait. Then you have hier, hier soir, hier matin. And you have quand plus a specific completed action. Okay, so put it on pause and copy those. Here are imparfait. Okay, and you'll notice these are words that don't give you a specific time frame. So you have en général, I don't know how to get it. Okay. Okay, you have en général, it doesn't matter. You have le soir, le printemps, le lundi. It means every night, every spring, every Monday. En with a description. Chaque jour, you're saying each day, each month, each year. Okay, it's something that you're doing over and over. Every day, tous les jours, tous les ans, every year. D'habitude ou habituellement, something that you do as a habit, like your routine quotidienne. Tous les, so this is just like number 5, but adding tous les hivers, tous les étés, tous les printemps, tous les automnes, toutes les automnes. Pardon, automne is féminin. Autrefois means before, avant. Souvent, parfois, de temps en temps, toujours, and finally, pendant que and alors que. So whenever you see these two on a test, what I would do is highlight them one color, and the ones for passé composé, I would highlight in another color. Okay? Okay. Next. You're going to listen, and then you're going to do the activity.
Des événements spécifiques ou événements habituels. Speakers describing certain past events. Listen carefully. If the speaker is talking about a specific event, not an not specific. If the speaker is talking about a habitual event,
Okay, so you know what I want you to do also is to write the indicator word. So you're going to write the indicator word and then the verb for each one. Okay, and you're going to say, is it spécifique or is it habituel? Okay, so for this one, I would say le dimanche and souvent. Okay, so I'd write le dimanche and souvent right here to say those are my indicator words. And then on the verb, I would write aller. Okay, so that now you have the verb right here, verb. Okay? And this is imparfait. Okay, so then the next one, un dimanche I would write in, and then je suis allée, and it's a girl. So for this one, I would have a, it's événement spécifique, okay? It's un dimanche, here. It's sorry, événement spécifique, un dimanche, and I wrote je suis allée. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do for all the rest of them. Okay, on y va. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to attach that speaking or that listening to the PowerPoint so you don't have to worry about listening to it on here because I don't even know if it's really good quality. So everything just crashed. So let me now go back to... Okay. Here we go. Okay, thanks you guys for being... Okay, so next we're going to look at the transcription. So once you have done the listening activity, okay, so you have une fois, j'ai joué au rugby avec mes cousins. So it's A. D'habitude, nous jouions au football. B. Tous les soirs, nous nous couchions à 11h. B. Un soir, nous nous sommes couchés à 1h du matin. A. D'habitude, mes parents se levaient à 7h. B. Le dimanche, ils se levaient à 9h. B. Autrefois, nous passions nos vacances à Annecy. B. Nous avons visité le château de Menton plusieurs fois. A. Chaque jour, on allait à la plage. B. Un jour, on a fait de la voile. A. Okay, so that should be all 10. Next, page 18. I want you to put this on pause while you make these sentences. And you're going to use, in each sentence, you're going to use both passé composé, maybe both passé composé and imparfait according to how they're used. Okay, so for the first one, you have Justin et sa petite amie visitaient le parc quand un cerf-volant est tombé. Okay, so un cerf-volant is a kite. So you have être triste and grimper à l'arbre. So go ahead and do these, put it on pause, and then come back. Yay, bravo! Okay. Le petit garçon était triste, because you have a description. Alors Justin a grimpé à l'arbre. You have a specific action with alors pour aller chercher le cerf-volant. Alors que, which is imparfait, Justin descendait de l'arbre, il est tombé et sa petite amie est tombée aussi. Uh-oh. Le père du petit garçon a donné des billets de concert à Justin et à sa petite amie. It's one action happened and it's done. Now you have a description and then an action. Le petit garçon et son père sont partis. Justin et sa petite amie étaient bien contents. Okay, this is the final one in your packet that's not in the supplement. So I want you to put this on pause. You're basically just going to make sentences that match the indication in the parentheses. So the first one is going to be passé composé, the second one will be présent, etc. Okay? Okay, go. Numéro 4 should have en vacances here, so I need to fix that. Okay, now we're going to turn to the supplement, and this is what I sent out to you guys. Okay, this is the first page of it. So it looks like this. And you're going to turn to the page that looks exactly like this. It's called Un accident. Okay, and it has a bunch of words. And basically, this is a supplement to help you understand the imparfait and the passé composé. So, for example, if you're talking about time, you're going to use description. That's going to be imparfait. If you're talking about weather, it's description, imparfait. If you're talking about the setting, le décor, it's imparfait. If you're talking about still the setting, imparfait. If you're describing a person, description physique, it's imparfait. Now you're describing an action. So it's passé composé, and this is moving the plot forward. Same thing in numéro 7. Something happened. The car did something. The car hit the stop sign. Okay, this is another completed action, moving the plot forward. Okay, same thing, moving the plot forward. Moving the plot forward, and finally, une voiture de police est arrivée. So you're going to see very often that in stories, they start with imparfait because you're setting the scene, and they end with passé composé, or a mix of the two. If you'd like to do the listening, there's a listening activity that's with it. If you turn the page, you can hear if it's true or false. It's just another listening activity.
Combien de personnes est-ce qu'il y avait dans la voiture? 3 personnes. Qui était le conducteur? C'était une dame. Qui a traversé la rue? C'est le garçon qui a traversé la rue. Qu'est-ce que la voiture a fait? La voiture a arrêté les panneaux de stop. Qu'est-ce que la dame a fait? Elle a téléphoné à la police. Qu'est-ce que le conducteur a fait? Il est resté dans la voiture. Qu'est-ce que les personnes ont fait? Il est parti avec une chien. Qu'est-ce qui est arrivé ensuite? Une voiture de police est arrivée.
Okay. Donc, here's what you, okay, so we're gonna stop there, and the next one will have another supplement.